Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Diddy.
Ambitious Ace.
Flav.
Yeah, man, and we about to check out this classic TeamBackPack Freestyle from Locksmith and CyHi the Prynce. What's your expectation, guys?
No one CyHi, no one Locksmith. Going in.
This is like a freestyle battle, I guess, right?
No, it's not a real. It's not a battle. No,
It's just
it's mislabeled. Pay no attention to the label.
Okay.
But it's definitely amazing. I've heard it a lot. And I probably damn near know it word for word.
Okay.
But I know you guys haven't checked it out.
Yeah,
so.
I'm ready to see it.
I've seen Locksmith's freestyles, but I haven't seen him and CyHi together, so that's bound to be something crazy.
Yeah, man, let's check it out. Cause I get excited every time I hear this joint. The beat is hard.
Let's have a conversation. Let's find a common combination between financial conservation and seeking compensation. You know, money and information is how you conquer nations. Whoever controls one controls both. So what's the consolation? A fabrication, a cynical aberration, a generation who can't fill out an application without an application, a fascist nation who shoots all minorities. The more you plead, the more you bleed, the more they feed authority. The morally right wing is stifling. We don't condone with master. Every tone of laughter is a blow to a broken bone in fracture. The music game is the same. They want to control the stature. Prince and Michael Jackson died. Who benefits and who owns the masters? The puppeteers are pulling the public's ears. We let a murderer walk free so he can auction off his gun to peers. It's like the system's corruption has reached another tier. We progress. But some of you rappers are pulling us back 100 years. Nothing is fact. They drumming the fear. The summon the scum and the scum will appear. To be the new summit, the dummy, you done it. Harder to stomach for some that compare. Immigrant laws opposing the sin. Through imminent flaws and closing the sin. Claiming illegal aliens are stealing a land we stolen from them. See, capitalism is capping ambitions of people who lack what is missing. Giving an equal advantage to people that manage to break it, attract and mention. Pray for a city where tragedy strikes. Send out a tweet like you actually might. Really do something that teaches or nothing, cause 10 minutes later you'll have a new height. People say they care, but it's us though. See the lust though, something greater. We are cutthroat. If you put it on display, then you'll see what I say is a threat to the whole construct though. People are winning the feed, searching for meaning, we lead on the lean. Cause I down in the muscle like tennis, we struggle for balance, they poison our dreams. I see it clear, I reject those ties. Learn how to prep and expect your lies. Respect you die, blessing you die, and you respect you die. Yo, listen, I'm not done. Look, and let it devour you. Which would you rather do? Listen to rappers who lie. Pay no attention to lyrics. The beat is the shit when you turn up dilute in your mind. I seen the proof in the Houston, you lying. I ain't the one like Cuban in his prime. One person died and blame the whole genre. They say the music the root of the crime. Maybe there's a point here. When the shots ring out, they gon' point here. Think about the shit that you bump in your whip and the dudes that you choose to annoy here. Here, maybe it's killing your soul. Maybe it's sucking your veins. Maybe we'll never be free. Maybe you're happy in chains. Make some noise, sing back.
Okay.
Locksmith is a beast.
Yeah.
You ever heard of Locksmith?
No.
You heard of CyHi though, right?
Yeah.
Kanye West Ghost Rider.
No matter what, he always doing that.
What?
Pulling down, looking at the crowd, putting
He's
the mic
shorty.
down. I just love the way he does it though.
TeamBackPack, what's happening? I said TeamBackPack NYC, what's happening? Say go CyHi.
I'm about to tell y'all, this is he about to go in.
I got gas in the car, but the needle's still on E. In the clip in the gauge, I need 20 on pump 3. Palm me, boy, you be underground like Bomb B. In a concrete, with your feet covered in concrete. Off the coast of Palm Beach while I'm twisting this palm tree. Speaking of palms, the pistols in arm reach. So that means I'm running around with that bitch like it's prom week. I'm beyond street, grew around yay like I'm Don C. Y'all acting like I wasn't gonna come prepared tonight. This ain't my first gig, this more like a terabyte. Since a kid, I viewed life as a paradise. Y'all didn't get it, I viewed life as a paradise. Try not to crap out, bag and work with the strap out. Chopper on the floor, Gucci man in the trap house. Some niggas tried to rob me, Suge Knight with the mash out. But some people lost their lives, so that ain't nothing to laugh about. Grand larceny, profit if done properly. You owe me like Monopoly, nigga, I'm on your property. Pull a kick, dough, shout it, you know the policy. Took a nigga elbows, now that's an armed robbery. Ghost face on camera. All you see is the wallabies. Still too bad for this mink. Hope Noah still hold the ark for me. Y'all just getting guns, nigga. We on the archery. 12 won't bother me if I shoot your ass from across the street. Lauren Hill, I'm killing you softly. William Shakespeare told me to be or not to be. Thou should not hate. That's always been my philosophy. Don't call me CyHi no more. Call me CyHocrates. Jay hit me up like CyHi want the album, huh? And I ain't even got the title of the album. I said Jay hit me up like title want the album, shit. And I don't even got a title of the album. Still fucking with my ex. I feel like my brother Malcolm. I'ma have to turn Muslim. I don't see no other outcome. I'm eating oysters with a bitch who Nefertiti black. Who knew this oyster on my wrist was an aphrodisiac? My flow so NYC, I might bring a Nietzsche back with the new Yeezy packs and the green Luigi hat. Put the album on the way. I ain't none of these rappers breathing. Mixed hip hop and soul music. Y'all didn't know I was half Korean. TeamBackPack.
Wow.
Oh, I love
That was
CyHi.
amazing.
Oh my gosh.
That was good.
Yo, CyHi, when that next album dropping? When it's dropping?
Like the bars from both of them guys.
Yeah.
And that song. Like, I don't want to take anything away from Locksmith. But CyHi's fucking verse in that shit is crazy.
I love Locksmith's authority.
Yes.
That's what I've always liked about Locksmith. His authority to come through and just, he makes you captivate. Like, just listen. You go look at him and listen.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah, like, yeah, and I love the speed rapping too.
Yeah.
And he always nails that. Like, he kind of messed up a little bit, but it didn't matter because he still just straight demolished that.
Yeah.
But like every line was like
So
a clever
clever.
bar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like,
So
I got
clever,
gas in the trunk, but the car's still on E.
Yeah.
Like, grew up around Ye like Don C.
Yeah, man. CyHi.
Speaking of Don C, Ye was on the radio, you know, basically saying he needed Don C in his life to prevent him from, you know, wilding out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he said that's the reason, you know.
He went down.
Yeah, he said if Don C was with him at the TMZ shit, it wouldn't have happened. You know, he said he would have shut it down, but he got a whole bunch of yes people around him. Don C told him how it was. So when he say that, grew up around Ye like Don C, like to most people, that's just like whatever. I don't know what the hell you talking about.
Yeah.
But
Holds a lot of weight.
yeah,
Wow.
and CyHi is a fucking genius.
CyHi said that next album, he got some bangers. I'm waiting.
I'm waiting too, man. We didn't. You promised us a Black History album. We didn't
Yeah,
get it.
we didn't
I
get
get
it.
it. You thought you were doing a Black Panther soundtrack. It didn't happen, but you still could have put it out in March or April.
Something.
Hell, put it out now. I don't
Yeah.
care. I just want to hear some CyHi. I actually pay for it. Quote me on that shit.
You gonna
Put it
pay
out.
for his album to get
Yeah.
made?
Yeah, I like CyHi that much.
Dang.
Like I've been rocking with CyHi. No, I'm saying like if you put it on iTunes, I'll buy it.
Oh.
I'm not just gonna stream it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
See, like what I do is like if I like the artist, I'll buy the album
you
on
was gonna- I thought you
iTunes
was
and
gonna
then I'll
produce
stream
the
it.
Yeah, I was
I thought
like,
you was about to produce
you
the
gonna-
album.
yeah.
I mean, hey, you trying to, hey, we can do something. Nah, but what I was saying though is like, if I like an artist, I'll buy the album on iTunes
Yeah,
and then I'll
same.
stream it on Tidal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that way they get their streams and they get their purchase.
Yeah.
You know, and CyHi and Locksmith are amazing. Locksmith's last 2 albums we reviewed were really dope
Yeah.
too.
They're really good.
So yeah, man. Let us know what y'all guys want us to check out, man.
Yeah, man. All right.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Peace.
Peace.